we are going to start with Brielle. So Brielle, if you want to go ahead and unmute yourself, and then I'm going to make you big so we can see you. Brielle, when you start talking, you'll come on.
All about elephants.
Nice job.
Introduction. Did you know that elephants are the largest land animal in the world? An adult boy is called a bull, a girl is called a cow, and a baby is called a calf. Today I want to teach you about elephants. Background. Elephants are mammals. There are 3 species of elephants. They are Asian, African bush, and African forest. Elephants can live to be 65 years old. The oldest elephant in a herd is called a matriarch. The matriarch has a big job. She has to lead the herd to food. Characteristic. Elephants have big ears, and they use them to cool off. Elephants use their right tusk more than they use their left tusk, just like people use their right and left hand. An elephant has a trunk. The trunk is like a hand. It grabs leaves off trees, and it sucks up water and squirts it into its mouth. When danger is near, an elephant trumpets with her trunk. An elephant has a good memory. She can remember things years ago. A grown-up elephant has hair on its tail, but a baby elephant has hair on its body. A calf drinks milk around 2 years. Diet and habitat. You can find elephants in Asia and Africa. Elephants eat grass, leaves, and fruit. They also eat roots and bark off trees. There are about 10 elephants in a herd. Elephants spend about 16 hours eating per day. Did you know an adult male elephant can eat up to 400 pounds of food every day? Elephants need to drink 40 to 50 gallons of water each day. Jaw-dropping facts. Did you know that an elephant can be as heavy as a school bus? The heaviest elephant in the world was about 16,500 pounds. A mommy elephant is pregnant for 18 to 22 months. When a baby is born, it's the size of a refrigerator. Conclusion. There are more books and movies about elephants. I hope you learned a lot about elephants.
Fantastic, Brielle. Do you want to show us some of your pictures?
Yeah.
All right. We learned so many facts, a lot of things I didn't know about elephants. All right. They live all over the world. Good.
Asia, African bush, and African forest.
A great labeled picture.
It's hair on tail and hair on body.
Okay, good.
And giant habitat picture is this.
Mm-hmm. Can't imagine that they can all eat, what'd you say, 400 pounds like a day or something like that, that there would be enough food out there for all of them.
Heavy as a school bus.
School bus. Good. Great pictures that go along with what you said on your pages.
And it's an elephant and a TV and a book.
Mm-hmm. Good. Excellent job. Hey, friends, we've been giving our friends cheers. Can you give us some cheers? Nice job, Brielle. Brielle, you're going to unmute mute yourself, And we're going to do Nora next. And Nora, are you ready to unmute? Okay, you're there. Go ahead.
All About White-tailed Deer by Nora Griffith. Table of Contents. Introduction, page 1. Background, page 2. Characteristics, page 3 through 4. Diet habitat, page 5. Jaw-dropping facts, page 6. Conclusion, page 7. Introduction. What lifts its ceiling to run up to 30 miles per hour? White-tailed deer. This report is about white-tailed deer.
Report as me. I knew it.
Oh, you're on mute.
Nice, Nora.
Background. White-tailed deer are mammals. They have live babies. White-tailed deer might live up to 6 to 14 years, but they just might live up to 4.5 years. Characteristics. Did you know that white-tailed deer have antlers? White-tailed deer may rest in tall grass. White-tailed deer eat grass, flowers, and leaves. White-tailed deer also eat any type of plant. White-tailed deer have baby deer called fawns. Mothers give birth to 2 fawns every spring. Within an hour, the fawns can walk. The fawns' backs are covered in white spots. The spots go away when the fawns are about 6 weeks old. Young deer reach their full size in 5 years. Diet habitat. White-tailed deer live in North America, parts of South America, and the edges of the woods, too. White-tailed deer can run up to 30 miles per hour. Bears, wolves, and humans hunt for white-tailed deer. I hope you learned a lot about white-tailed deer.
Nice job. Do you have any other pictures you want to show us?
Yeah, here's my starting. Here's my background.
All right, good.
Here's my characteristics.
Nice picture.
Here's my diet habitat.
Doing lots of things. Good.
And here's my jaw-dropping facts. And here is my conclusion.
Very nice. Hey, friends, let's give her a cheer. Good job, Nora. Excellent job. Okay, right after Nora, number 3 is going to be Alea Road. So there, Nora's muted. So Alea, as soon as you start talking. Hi there.
All About Cheetahs.
Great picture.
Oops. What happened?
You're okay.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you're still there.
Introduction. This report is about the speedy felines called cheetahs. I found some amazing facts about this animal.
Oh, I like that. You looking up your things.
Cats are my favorite animals. Background. The cheetah is a mammal from the African cat species. They live for 12 years in the wild and about 17 years in captivity.
Mm-hmm.
Baby in the wild.
Yeah, I like your caption there. We know what you have in your picture.
Characteristics. Cheetahs have a yellowish tan body with black spots. Their spots blend in with savanna grass, so they can sneak up on animals when hunting. They weigh about 75 pounds. They have black lines around their eyes and nose that look like sunglasses. This helps block out sunlight. Cheetahs have great eyesight during the day but not at night. They also have very sharp hearing. Lastly, their tail can be 30 inches long. Diet and habitat. Cheetahs live in the grassy savanna and semi-desert areas of Africa. They also live in parts of Asia. Cheetahs are meat eaters and use their speed to catch gazelles and antelope during the day. Jaw-dropping facts. The cheetah is the fastest animal on land, with a top speed of 71 miles per hour. They are the only cat that have their claws exposed at all times, and no two cheetahs have the same spot design. Also, they are one of the most endangered cats in Africa. Conclusion. In conclusion, cheetahs are fast-spotted cats that live mostly in Africa. I hope you enjoyed my report about this cool cat. The end.
Very nice. Yeah. Yeah. Super job, Alea. Let's give her a cheer. You had some great facts in there, some facts that we haven't heard about cheetahs from some of our other friends. Okay, so did you show us all your pictures?
No.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry, I thought you did.
This one.
Okay, a cheetah chasing a prey. Okay,
Really fast.
like a speed limit sign. Nice and creative there, Alea. So, okay, Alea, you are going to mute yourself, and up next is Rex.
All About the Armored Armadillo by Rex Green. Table of Contents. Introduction. Page 1. Background. Page 2. Characteristics. Page 3 and 4. Diet and Habitat. Page 5 and 6. Jaw-dropping facts. Page 7. Conclusion. Page 8. Introduction. Armadillos are mammals. They look like rats with armor. Armadillo is a Spanish word. It means little armored one. Background. There are 21 kinds of armadillos. A baby armadillo is called a pup. Pups have pink skin. They are fully grown at 9 months. They can live 30 years. Characteristics. Armadillos can be small at 6 inches or as big as 5 feet. They have sharp claws. Armadillos have a hard shell of armor. called carapace. They have long snouts and sticky tongues. They are shy and nocturnal animals. Giant habitat. Armadillos like to eat at nighttime. They like to eat plants, worms, grubs, and insects. Beetles are their favorites. Armadillos are found in the Americas. They like to dig tunnels and holes where they live. These holes are called burrows. Jaw-dropping facts. Coyotes, bears, and wolves are their enemies of the armadillo. When armadillos get scared, it can jump to scare its enemies or roll into a ball for safety. Armadillos can put air in their stomach and float on water. Conclusion. Armadillos were fun to learn about. Even though they are small, animals can protect themselves with their hard armor. Super cool.
Very nice, Rex. Do you want to go through and show us some of your pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Here, can you get it up to the camera?
There. Okay, I can see that one. There, he has a labeled picture. Good job. Nice color on that one. And a caption. All right. That was a little blurry for me, but that's okay. Nice job. All right. Yep.
That's good.
One more.
Yep. I could hear you turning pages, but you're frozen on my screen, but show it any. Oh, there we go. Yeah. All right. Nice job, Rex.
I had to print.
Go ahead.
I had to print that one out.
Yep, that was okay. Mr. Rex broke his arm right before he was all finished with it. So he did a fantastic job of getting pictures and getting his writing done as much as he could before that happened. So let's give him a cheer, friends. Excellent job there, Rex. Okay, Rex was number 4. So Cade, you are number 5.
All About Eagles by Cade Cooper.
Nice picture.
Introduction. Did you know that bald eagles' wingspan is up to 8 feet long? They can fly 30 to 35 miles per hour and dive 75 to 95 miles per hour. An eagle can do these things and more. Background. Eaglet. Eagles are a type of large bird. There are 60 kinds of eagles around the world. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. Eagles live 10 to 30 years in the wild and up to 50 years in the zoo. And
Nice baby chick.
characteristics. The average eagle is 3 feet tall and weighs 7 to 12 pounds. Eagles have black or dark brown feathers. Some have white or golden feathers on their head or shoulders. Eagles have talons and claws they use to grab and carry prey. They have beaks to tear meat. Their feet have bumps to hold slippery fish. Diet and habitat.
Nice label picture.
Eagles, diet and habitat. Eagles eat small animals such as rabbits, squirrels, fish, and other birds. They also eat large animals such as monkeys and baby sheep. Eagles live all around the world. The only place they don't live is Antarctica. They live in nests in trees near water, rainforests, jungles, forests, and deserts. Bald and golden eagles live in the USA.
Good job, Kate.
Jaw-dropping facts. An eagle's eyesight is 4 times better than a human. Eagles can see as far away as 1 mile. Large eagle nests weigh up to 6,000 pounds. Eagles use the same nest over and over. Eagles' talons strike stronger than a rifle bullet when they dive. Conclusion. No hunting. Eagles have very few predators. They almost became extinct due to human hunting and a chemical called DDT. Laws now protect these amazing birds. Next time you go outside, look up and see if you can spot an eagle.
Nice. Very nice, Kate. Okay. And you know what? Delaware County has been one of the leaders in bringing eagles back into the wild. So we have quite a few nests over at the Delaware State Park. So that was so exciting. And Kate has said that he sees you have an eagle down by the creek near your backyard, right? So he gets to see them sometimes. Okay, friends, let's cheer. It was an excellent job. Okay, so after Kate, number 6 is going to be Colleen.
I did.
Whenever you're ready, Colleen.
All About Elephants by Colleen. Introduction, page 1. Background, page 2. Characteristic, page 3. Diet/habitat is page 4 and 5. Jaw-dropping facts is page 6. And my conclusion is on page 7. Introduction. I am going to teach you all about elephants. You will love these big, pretty animals.
Nice, Colleen.
Background. Elephants migrate to find food and water. They live in Africa and Asia. They live for 50 to 70 years. Characteristics. Elephants have big ears and 4 legs. They have tusks and a big trunk. They have gray skin and a tail. When thirsty, they suck up water with their trunks. Diet/habitat. Elephants drink by using their trunks. Then it sprays it into their mouth. They pull grass and leaves with their trunks. Diet/habitat. Adults eat as much as 220 pounds, 100 kilograms of food each day. They are herbivores. Jaw-dropping fact. They have a good memory. They often visit the same places year after year. They can hear each other up to 10 kilometers away. Conclusion. Elephants are amazing animals. They are the largest land animal in the world. Elephants are one of my favorite animals.
Nice job, Colleen. Okay, great facts there. Let's cheer. Yay, great job. Okay. You know what I think is so interesting that we had a couple of different elephant reports and we heard some different facts in all of them. I think that's fantastic. Number 7, Tilly, you are up next. There she is.
All about cardinals. Can you see it?
Yes, I
All
can.
about cardinals.
Beautiful picture.
Introduction. From my window, I see a little red bird with a mohawk. It is a cardinal. They are a bird I can watch all year long.
Okay. Yep, we see it.
Cardinal is also known as cardinals. Are a passerine or perching bird. They live about 3 years in the wild, but can live longer if captive. Cardinal males are bright red, while the females are light brown with hints of red. They're 8 to 9 inches and weigh about 5 O's. It says O's.
5 ounces.
They have
OZ, 4
Yeah.
ounces. That means they're not very heavy.
They have short conical beaks to easily crack seeds. Cardinals have a regal crest. Wait, let me show you the picture. It's a really good one.
Yeah, nice colors. Good.
That guy's gonna food. They eat seeds, fruit, and insects. Their favorite is sunflower seeds. Cardinals are naturally ground feeders. They live in North America and Central America in forest fields and towns.
Good.
Cardinals are aggressively territorial and have more than one brood. Their chicks go fast and leave the nest after 12 days. Thanks.
Yep.
And there's male and female stuff. I enjoy watching this songbird around my house. Their bright color and their mohawk make them very easy to spot. I hope you enjoyed learning about cardinals. There's the bird flying.
Pull it back towards you just a little bit. There we go. We'll be able to see it. Songbirds. Yep, on the branches. I can see it. Okay.
And on the dot is the colors.
Nice, Tilly. Great things. I think it was so interesting that we had some friends that chose animals that they see in their backyards. I think that's great. All right. Fantastic job, Tilly. Okay, Tilly. You what?
Can I just tell you one thing?
Sure.
I'm going to be gone for a little bit because I kind of want to do a few things, so I might not get to hear the whole thing. I'll just be back soon.
Okay, that is okay. Okay, you're going to go ahead and mute though, Tilly. And Bailey, you are up next.
Fun fact about polar bears by Bailey.
All right.
Introduction.
Yep.
Intro. Dropping facts. Characteristics. Polar bears live in the Arctic. They have thick black skin called blubber. This keeps them warm. Soaking up the sun, they have clear skin, clear fur, trapping the sunlight.
Okay, we are hearing a lot of background noise and we really can't hear Bailey. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I think it might be hers isn't muted.
Oh, you know what? I got it. We got Tilly. I'll mute her. Yeah, I think it's the background there. Oh, okay. I thought
Made
it was
everybody go outside and play. So
no, I thought it was the background in your house. Okay, we are good. Go ahead, Bailey. You're doing a great job. Keep it up.
Are known as
marine
mammals since they stay in water most of the time. They are the largest bears in the world.
Yeah.
You got to keep going because there's more people's got to reach.
Did you know that polar bears clean their body?
You missed a word.
By
There you go. Sound it out.
rolling
There you go.
in snow. They can smell the food from 30 feet away.
There you go. That's have.
Have
I knew you kind of wrote over it.
ever wondered how long polar bears live? Well, they live up to 30 years, but most live 13
Two.
to 18 years.
There you go.
All right. All finished up?
You,
You have more?
You got more people.
Okay.
Bears have 42 teeth. They weigh 900 96 pounds. They stand at 11 feet tall.
Last one.
Now you know more about polar bears, but they are in danger from climate change, melting polar
Polar
ice.
We can
We can help
stop
pollution
and save
and save the polar bears.
Nice job.
That's good. You're good.
Okay.
Thank you for your pictures.
Do you have some pictures?
Yes.
Here, there's your intro about what they eat. Can you show me pictures of what they eat?
They eat fish and seal.
Good.
And that's their 42 teeth. So hold it back some. There you go.
Yeah, there we go. And that they swim. Good.
The other one. This is the melting caps, huh?
Oh,
Is that
so,
what you say, huh?
yeah, so we can help polar bears just like, we helped eagles.
Your big one.
Okay, nice.
Where's your other one? No, your introduction one. Oh, yep, that's the one that smells.
Okay. Oh, yeah, they can smell their food from 30, is it feet away?
30 feet away.
Yeah, good.
That's your picture showing the thick skin, huh? Because they have
They have lots of layers of skin to keep them warm since they live in cold areas. Yep. Nice job on that. Okay. All right, everybody. Let's cheer Bailey. Okay. Great learning of facts there, Bailey. Okay. Go ahead and mute yourself. And after Bailey, we have Noah. Noah, are you ready? Okay, Noah, you are up next, okay? So you're going to have to unmute. Go down to the little red microphone. And you're going to cross out. There we go. There you go, Noah.
Now you got to start over.
Okay. Yeah, Noah, you're going to have to start again because we weren't able to hear you there. Okay, go ahead.
Why are they so big now?
I don't know. It may just be the way you have it set up. You're big on my computer. So, okay. But go ahead.
Introduction. Today I am going to
Teach
you about Bengal Tigers.
Now,
Background. They are mammals. Tigers live about 15 years in the wild. They sleep during the day and hunt at night. They hear and see very well. Characteristics. Tigers weigh about 500 pounds and are about 10 feet long. They have
2 words.
brownish orange fur with black and white stripes. They have huge teeth and sharp claws. Diet and habitat. Tigers eat meat like moose, wild pigs, deer, and crocodiles. They drink water. Bengal tigers live in Asia. They are in jungles, swamps, and forests. Jaw-dropping facts. Tigers like to swim. They like to swim. They put their scent on trees to mark hunting ground. They eat up to 66 pounds in one meal. Tigers have sharp teeth that can break bones. Conclusion. I hope you learned a lot about Bengal tigers.
Nice job today.
Want to show a picture of one of the books you used?
Yeah, go ahead. So he had a book at home he was able to use, and we did some research on Mayan. Fantastic. Yeah, that looks like one that you would learn lots of facts in. Okay, friends, let's do a cheer him on. Excellent job there, Noah. Okay. Hey, Noah, you are going to mute yourself. Just like you unmuted yourself, you're going to hit that again. And that way, all right. Okay. Next up, we have Emily. And Emily is our last one of the today. We had a lot today. So, Emily, whenever you're ready. Oh, you know what, Emily? I may have to unmute you because I had to mute you. So just a minute. Here we go. Let me see if I can do it. There we go, Emily. You are good to go, honey.
All about deer. Introduction. I want to teach you about deer. I like deer because I see them in the woods. Do you like deer too?
And there we go.
Deer are warm-blooded.
Hey, Emily, I need you to stop for just a second. For one, we can only see the top of your head, sweetie. And I'm going to have you go back to the beginning because we were not able to hear you for that, okay? Can you go all the way back to the very beginning? Sorry about that. And then you might want to move your computer screen down just a little bit. And that way we can see more than just the top of your head. There we go. Perfect. Okay, go back to your all about.
All about deer. Introduction. I want to teach you about deer. I like deer because I see them in the woods. Do you like deer too? Deer are warm-blooded animals. They can live up to 10 to 20 years. They have brown fur. Grown-up deer can be 100 to 300 pounds. Baby deer have spots. Some deer have antlers. Deer live in North America in the woods. They sniff to find their food. They eat almost any plant. Coyotes and people are the enemies of deer. They can jump 8 feet high. That is taller than my dad. Anyone can find deer in the woods. I hope you like deer as much as I do.
Excellent job, Emily. Do you have some pictures to show us?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
First one.
All right. Good.
And this one.
You're going to have to hold them a little bit higher, almost right in front of your face for us to see them. There we go. Now we can see it. Good job. Good. Do you have another picture, Emily?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think it's amazing that deer can be 300 pounds. That is really, really heavy. And that they can jump so high, being that heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay. Good job, Emily.
That's the last one.
Okay. Let's do some Huron. That was our last report for today. Okay. I am going to pull everybody up again. And
Everybody?
stop. There we go. We're going to stop.